Welcome back. You're watching the Southern News. Now, as part of the 63rd Independence Day celebrations, the Deccan Heritage Automobile Association organized a vintage car and motorcycle rally at the historic Charmahalla Palace. Spectacular cars and gleaming bikes stole the limelight in a royal setting. Of the numerous timeless machines, a 1948 Sunbeam Talbot owned by Sarwat Hussain and a 1951 Triumph Mayflower owned by Rajesh Kendry stood out and drew a lot of attention. The Consul General of the US Embassy, Cornelius Kerr, and the Director of the Charmahalla Palace, G. Kishan Rao, were present on the occasion.
Here. And not only that, but the exhibits, I think, are a profound reminder of Hyderabad's glorious history. So for me, it's a very wonderful collection and brings back a lot of fond memories. I see the old Packard out there and some of the other vehicles, and they were still being driven when I was a young child growing up in Detroit. So it's kind of like reconnecting with my youth.
The palace was open for the first time for this kind of a cultural event, and the Deccan Heritage Automobile Association is truly honored to have been here. I just want to pay tribute to Mr. G. Kishan Rao, who's the director of the Charmahalla Palace. The Deccan Heritage Automobile Association was led by Indrajit Singh, and he passed away 3 months ago, but he has been a source of inspiration for the club.